All right, here's your week 3 workout 2. It's going to be 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Here's another little overview, and then we will go over the movements. So here's a side plank oblique crunch. You're going to get into your side plank. Here I am on my wrist. You're going to bring your knee up to the side to meet your elbow. Make sure that you're not letting your hips sink down. And you can also do it on your wrist or on your elbow. So here I am coming down. It's going to be the exact same movement. If you're finding that your wrists hurt, just come down onto your elbow and it should work perfectly. Your next move is a burpee. You're going to jump out into a plank position, do a push-up, jump back in, and jump at the top. So push-ups are optional, and so are the jump at the top. I'll show you a half burpee, which would be what you'd be doing if you were not adding those things. So there's the half burpee. Do what you can. If you want to do a full burpee and then a half burpee when you start to burn out, that's totally good. Here's a plank sit back. You're going to get into your high plank, and then you're sitting your body back towards your feet. Try and take this one slow as well. Really engage your core and your shoulders. Sit back as far as you can. Nice. Next we have a predator jack, which is just like a jumping jack, but you're going to bring your arms in and out instead of up and down. Keep your speed up for this one because it is a very simple movement. Here's a lateral plank walk. So get in your high plank and we're going to be walking side to side. Try not to rotate your hips as much as you can. Engage your core. Here are some jumping lunges. That's just me showing you lunge form. So weight in your heel of your front foot. We're not banging our knee down on the ground. Keep your torso upright. I like to use my arms to help swing me. If you're having balance problems, just step in the middle and then do your lunge. Good job.